Do you guys know what the word mangoñada means? Well, I thought I did too, up until I did further research upon my topic and I came across an article from our school's library which was titled Sweet and Sour Success, and it actually included another definition for which was used to describe the action of grabbing and shaking someone really hard. So I was extremely surprised to come to find this out because I went my whole life thinking that the word mangoñada was actually used to describe this delicious dessert that I'm about to make for you guys. However, come to find this out as well, mangonada is actually the incorrect way to pronounce it, and it is actually called mangonada. So, to make this delicious dessert, you are going to need chamoy, tajín, a lime, a clear cup, mango nectar, and a mango, but preferably frozen mango, which I have set off to the side here as well. So, let's begin. Now, to start off, you're going to want to grab your clear cup and actually coat the rim in chamoy and tajín. And you're going to want to go ahead and do this up until it's fully coated. So what I like to do is actually go in repeatedly, but you're going to want to go ahead and cover it in chamoy and then go ahead and do tajín as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually fill the inside of this cup with chamoy up until it is fully coated. Now, as you can see, it is fully coated inside. Now you are going to go ahead and move over these two plates. Now you can go ahead and grab your blender and actually start filling it up with the mango chunks. So about 1 cup of frozen mango chunks is good because I'm only going to make this for myself for now. Now, after you are done doing that, you are going to want to grab a half of a lime and actually go ahead and squeeze it in there. So once you are done doing that, you are going to go ahead and grab your mango nectar and actually begin pouring it inside of your blender. And as you can see, I made sure not to cover up the frozen mango chunks with the nectar. So approximately, I'd say 1 cup of mango nectar is perfect. Once you're done with that, you can actually go ahead and begin blending it. Now it's time to pop the lid on and put it in the blender. And once again, again. So now what you're going to want to do is grab your smoothie, and it should be a good chunky texture. So you can go ahead and actually pour this into your cup. And I usually like to take turns and put in chamoy as I'm going. So as you can see, let's go ahead and just keep going. And for some reason, I thought that this was actually going to be too much. So let's just keep going. And the amount of mango that I had actually put in the blender was perfect to the size. So get the rest in there. Now, what you're going to want to do, or what I love to do, is actually go ahead and grab another lemon just to top it off and just put it on top of the mangonada. And then you can go ahead and put tajín or anything else you like tamarindo. A lot of people also like to go in and add in the tamarind candy, which is called the banderillas. conclusion, I hope you all enjoyed this simple and easy tutorial on how to make this delicious mangonada, because I learned a lot as well, such as the correct pronunciation and the second definition of the word. So I hope you all can eventually take time and try this out for yourselves just in the future, because you can drink this on whether it be a hot or a cold day. And yeah, I hope you all have an amazing day.